Still swallowing water or holding your breath to stop your hiccups? Hiccups are actually involuntary spasms of your diaphragm muscle, driven by a hyperactive reflex loop in your vagus and phrenic nerves. Standard tricks like drinking water rarely stimulate these nerves enough to break the cycle. But there's a way to instantly overload the sensory nerves in your throat and force the reflex loop to reset. Just swallow 1 teaspoon of dry sugar. The grainy crystals overstimulate your vagal nerve endings, signaling your brain to stop the spasms instantly.